Circle theorems, angles in circles. In this lesson, we shall learn about cyclic quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral, a four-sided shape, whose four vertices lie on the circumference of a circle, is called a cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So what does it mean? Here we have our circle, and inside it we have a four-sided shape, a quadrilateral, and all of the vertices, each of the corners, is touching a point on the circumference of our circle. So any quadrilateral that is inscribed within a circle and touches 4 points of the circumference is called a cyclic quadrilateral. And one of the properties of cyclic quadrilaterals is that the opposite angles, in this case A is opposite to C and B is opposite to D, add up to 180 degrees. So in this case A and C add up to 180 degrees, and B and D add up to 180 degrees. And that applies to all cyclic quadrilaterals. So in our example here, we see that this side here, this angle here is 102 degrees, and this one is 80. And so when we take into account what we know about the properties of cyclic quadrilaterals, then if this is opposite, then D here must be 100 degrees, because 80 degrees plus 100 degrees will give us 180 degrees. And C here must be 78 degrees, because 102 plus 78 will give us 180 degrees. So when we deal with cyclic quadrilaterals, we understand that the opposite sides, opposite angles, add up to 180 degrees. And we can always check to see if a quadrilateral is cyclic if it's touching 4 points on the circumference. So if we understand that, it's time for an exercise. Let's have a look at this exercise in the learning zone and see how we do answering these questions on cyclic quadrilaterals.